Okay, sit down. Why don't you tell them thank you in the camera?
Thank you. Did they say this
Okay,
one's
take that
from
one.
Grandma?
Go ahead.
Grandma Joyce. It's Grandma Joyce's. Grandma Joyce got that for you, Zoe. Hey, Zoe. Good. You can be the present man. Yeah.
Here, so let me help.
Do you know what that is? Undo this. That is from Grandma. We heard you. Silly bands. They're from Grandma. Look! I got these. We know that. We said like 100 times. It's from Grandma. We heard you. Open that. No, peel it off. Peel it off. Here, wait. Stick it out. Good. Now rip it. What do you got, Zoe? Yeah! What do you got? Ice cream shop? Holy cow! Oh, my favorite!
Let's see.
Okay, what's this box from?
Oh, that's the Fancy Nancy game.
Ew. Look. Hey, what's this box from?
That's from her brother. You can take it to her.
Hey, Zoe. This is from your brother. Oh. There's a box from your brother. I can't wait to open it. That's what it is. Those smart silly bands. Nothing else. That's silly bands. Okay? Yeah. Okay, the next present.
Tell your brother thank you.
Whoa, this one's going to be a big one. Mine's last because it's good. Here, Zoe. Mine's last. A big one. It's good. Okay, come on, Zoe. Here's the big present. Wow, you got a lot of presents. Yeah. For one big girl. Yeah, she's a big giant girl. Big girl. Wonder what it is. Ice cream shop.
That's from your grandpa and your grandma. What do you say? Show the camera.
Thank you for the camera. Okay, Zoe, here's another
Ice cream.
present.
Yay!
There's another
Ice cream parties for us now.
There's another present, Zoe. Hey. Thank you. Hey, she's going to open the present. You need to cut it.